If you want to learn how to write notes in Evernote quickly and organize them the right way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step, from creating a new note to adding a title, writing your content, formatting it, and attaching files so your notes stay clean, searchable, and easy to use. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote app on your device or log in to Evernote on the web. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. At the top, you should see a green New Note button, or it may simply say Note depending on the version you're using. Click that button to create a fresh note. This is the starting point for everything you write in Evernote, whether it's meeting notes, a project plan, a quick reminder, or a long-form idea list. Now that your note is open, the next thing you want to do is add a title. Click in the area labeled Title at the top of the note pane. Try to make the title descriptive and specific so you can find it later when you search. For example, instead of using something generic like Notes, use something clearer like Meeting Notes July 22, Project Ideas, or Weekly Content Plan. A strong title makes your notes much easier to organize, especially if you're creating a lot of them over time. After that, click below the title in the main body of the note. This is where you'll actually start typing your content. You can write as much or as little as you need, and Evernote will automatically save your work as you go, so you don't have to worry about pressing a save button. That makes it really convenient for fast note-taking, because you can focus on capturing your thoughts instead of managing files. As you type, you can also format your notes to make them easier to read. Evernote gives you editing tools that let you use bold text, italics, highlights, and headings. These formatting options are great if you want to break your note into sections, emphasize key points, or make important tasks stand out. For example, you could bold the main topic, use headings for different categories, and highlight deadlines or action items. If you want to create a task list or checklist, Evernote makes that simple too. You can click the Insert button, or in some versions you can type the / key to bring up shortcuts. From there, select Task or Checklist. This is useful when you're writing notes for a project, a meeting, or a daily to-do list. Instead of just typing plain text, you can create actionable items that are easy to follow and check off later. You can also insert files and media directly into your note. Click the Insert button or the plus icon in the toolbar to add things like images, PDFs, Google Drive files, or even tables if you want to organize data more clearly. If you already have a file on your computer, you can often drag and drop it right into the note body as well. This is one of the best ways to turn Evernote into a central workspace for documents, references, screenshots, and planning materials all in one place. Once you've written your note and added your content, there's nothing else you need to do to save it. Evernote saves automatically in the background, which makes the whole process very smooth. At that point, you can go back later to edit the title, update the text, add more attachments, or create more notes using the same process. So just to recap, writing notes in Evernote is really simple. Create a new note, add a clear title, type your content in the main body, format it if needed, insert checklists or files, and let Evernote handle the saving for you. The more you use these features, the easier it becomes to keep everything organized and searchable. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.